What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we have the PSM Runtime installer. So for those who are having issues with the PSM Runtime, updating that and trying to use shark food, you can use this application to get your PSM Runtime. Look at that. It just wow, with one click it started downloading and it went straight to whoa. All right, let's get out of here, shall we? Because I think I'm already updated. Whoa, this thing is working really fast. Let me get out of here. What's going on here? Promoting. All right, succeeded. Expanding package. So this is making me a little nervous because I already have all this stuff updated. I'm glad it failed. Wow. So if you haven't already updated your PSM runtime and you're trying to get these ports working and also getting that shark food to get you that libshack CCG plugin or the file required for these ports, this is going to be your best bet here. PSM runtime. I'm not going to hit that again because I already have it all updated. Let me go back to my settings and make sure we're not all messed up there. But the PSM runtime is required for mostly every single it's not required for the port, but it's required to get that file from shark food that creates that, and it's the shader compiler is what they call it. So PlayStation Mobile, we're at 2.01. That's where you'll find that PSM runtime. But now if you just have the dashes, that means you have not updated your PSM runtime, and what you have to do is you have to go to version 2, then 2.01. And once you get that all installed, you'll go through shark food, and what it will do is just basically do all this jibber jabber on your screen, and then it will save the libshack ccg.suprx file in your UXO or URO or however you have it set up. And once you have that file and you have all your ports installed and they were not running in the past when you first installed it, now you should double check and it should be working, no problems. So just to make sure that we're not in a bad spot here with what we just did, I'm gonna hit Vice City. That was nice. You just open up the app, it started downloading, it takes you to let's see here. So it did take you straight away into the app that is also required for you to, and that's going to be the package installer. So you will need this app to update your PSM runtime, and I suggest downloading that first, installing that app onto your PS Vita, and then hitting the Crystal PSM runtime installer. And that way you can start downloading, and then it opens it up right away. That is very, very nice. Let's go back to GTA Vice City. Looks like it's working just fine. Very nice. So I'm good to go there. Just a quick little overview on this amazing application that does all the work for you. I do have a full video on how to download every single one and then doing it manually. And the reason why I did it that way, a lot of people were saying, hey, you can just do it this other way, but for some reason it wasn't working for me. Like, you can just get a mobile game from the PS Store or through let's see here. You can just get the game through PKGJ or through the PlayStation Store, play the game, and then once you open the game for the first time, it will start to update your PSM runtime. But I was not getting that. I was getting a lot of errors and it just wasn't working for me, so I just did it manually, and I have a full video on that if you're interested down below. Hopefully this will help you. If the video I made or these other methods that you tried are not working, you can try the Crystal PSM runtime installer, and I hope you get it all situated for your PS Vita. And best of luck for all those who still figuring out the PSM runtime madness. So that is it for this one, guys. Thank you so much. Just a quick review on this very cool application, and many more videos to come. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video like this in the future. I really do appreciate it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.